Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Vita Mahjong on iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Vita Mahjong using an iPhone step by step in very simple terms. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, look at the top of the screen. You will see a balance or wallet amount there. Tap on it to enter the wallet section. In my region, it's not available right now, but in your region, it may be available. For that, go inside the wallet and find withdraw button, then tap it. If you don't see it right away, check the menu or profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Now you will be asked to choose a withdrawal method. This could be option like PayPal, bank transfer, or another payment method depending on what Vita Mahjong supports in your region. After choosing your method, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount is within the minimum and maximum limit shown on the screen. Next, carefully enter the payment details such as PayPal, email, or bank information. Double check everything to avoid mistake. Once everything looks good, tap confirm and submit. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.